Hey! Maxie, can you move? Are you hopping? Yeah? Is that my belly button? Belly button. Yeah. You know, oh. That's your belly button? I see it. Pretty cute. Can you wave? Say hi, Grandma. Hi, Grandpa. Can you say hi? Hi. Cole, can you blow a kiss? Mwah. Good boy. Okay. Mwah. Oh, you want me to get on your bike? Oh, just for Grandpa. Good job.